At our company, we understand the importance of quality and safety in welding projects. That's why we have invested in collaborative robotic welding technology, which enables us to provide our clients with exceptional quality enhancements in their welding proof. Our collaborative robotic welding technology allows our skilled human welders to work alongside advanced robotic systems, each bringing their unique strengths and capabilities. This collaboration results in welds of unparalleled quality and consistency that exceeds traditional welding methods. A collaborative robotic welding technology also enhances safety in the workplace. Our robots are equipped with advanced safety features that ensure they operate in a controlled and safe manner, while taking on the more hazardous welding tasks. Robots reduce the risk of accidents and injuries to our human welders, resulting in a safer work environment. At our company, we are committed to delivering exceptional results to our clients, and our collaborative robotic welding technology is a testament to that commitment. Contact us today to learn more about our welding capabilities and how we can enhance the quality of your welding projects.